Every day, two of Norway's most vital industries, salmon farming and agriculture, draw from the same natural systems. And every day they return something back. The question is, what?
Trøndelag is home to both a strong agricultural sector and a growing aquaculture industry. And both sectors provide food, they provide jobs, and they provide economic value for the region. However, both of these regions face two interconnected challenges. Both sectors import large amounts of nutrients in the form of feed and in the form of fertilizers in the case of agriculture. And at the same time, both sectors are very inefficient in dealing with these fertilizers. And this leads to accumulation of the fertilizers in soil and in water systems. And this is threatening the ecosystems.
Only 2 to 3% of fish sludge is currently collected from land-based facilities. The rest is lost to the water, to the environment.
In Greenhood, we investigate how we can recover animal manure and fish sludge and turn this into fertilizers that can recirculate it instead of polluting the environment, and at the same time saving precious resources. The goal of Greenhood is to preserve the quality of the soil and the water systems in the long term.
Our nutrient journey begins where the water meets the land. Norway produces around half of the world's Atlantic salmon, a number set to triple by 2050. Every day, tons of nutrient-rich sludge are generated across these farms and processing facilities. The infrastructure to change that already exists. The question is what we do with what comes out of it. At Svanem Biogass, in the heart of Trøndelag, that question has an answer.
Here at the Svanem Biogass, we take the fish sludge and the cow manure, mix it together and make biogas. And the biogas isn't really our main product, it's the biofertilizer. That's what we are trying to get, the best biofertilizer that's possible. There's a lot of firewood for producing heat, and that's the regulations in Norway. We have to heat up everything. We have to heat it up to 70 degrees for 1 hour, and then it's a dead substrate that comes out that we can use at all the fields. Then we don't have to care about the boundaries of Trøndelag. We can go to all of Norway with the testing of the fertilizer and everything. The biogas is now used to produce energy. We produce power and hot water. The hot water goes into this hydrogenization, and the power goes into the factory and also out to the grid.
But fish sludge and manure are only the beginning. What happens next determines whether this becomes a true circular system.
What's the value chain that we are doing? So we get the cattle slurry, that's about 8% of our substrate. We mix with 20%, 15% of the fish sludge. We bring it to the biogas plant, and then we produce the digestate. And then we have this screw press, that's the second technology that we produce the liquid digestate and the solid digestate. The liquid digestate goes back to the farm, so then we close our circularity in the farm. And the solid, that's the fraction that's rich in phosphorus. It's dry down, and then it goes to other farmers that need this fraction, with also a lot of organic matter. Together with the farmers and the industrial partners, we are producing and testing different bio-based fertilizers. And these bio-based fertilizers, they have included in their composition some marine residues here from Norway.
In Trøndelag, a new circular economy is taking shape. One that doesn't see waste, only resources. One that doesn't separate sea from land, but connects them. Closing the nutrient loop with Greenhood.